Hello, this is Maestro X, and I'm going to go over the Level 2 Academic Word of the Day contact for Week 6, Quarter 1. Okay, take out your flashcard. Let's take a look. First, the pronunciation. Contact has two syllables, contact. And the emphasis or stress is on the first syllable, con. So we say contact. Contact. It can be used as a noun or as a verb, which is why we give you also the Spanish translations for the noun and for the verb. Let's take a look at the noun definition. As a noun, it means the act of communicating with someone, especially regularly. Especially regularly. It doesn't have to be, but usually has that connotation. Okay? And we say it's uncountable. Okay, here we're not talking about 5 contacts like some people have in their phones. This is the act of communicating. So you're just saying being in contact with somebody, or the contact between two people, between the school and yourself, between the teacher and the student, etc. Okay? Let's take a look at your Awod sentence. At least the first part. Because in the first part we use it as a noun. In Catcher in the Rye, which is a popular book taught in English classes around the United States by J.D. Salinger. In this book, the teenager Holden Caulfield demonstrates a fear of human contact. Okay, and this is a picture of that, where he doesn't want to be communicated with, don't want to be touched. So he has a fear of communication between himself and other people. You can also use contact as a verb, as in the second definition, which just simply means to communicate with somebody, for example, by telephone, email, or letter. And so our second part of the Awod sentence is that Holden Caulfield demonstrates a fear of human contact, except when he tries to contact his little sister by phone. And so here you have a picture of him alone in New York City, wanting to talk to his little sister, finally, and so he calls her on a payphone. We have 3 familial words for you, all of them adjectives. Contactable. Contactable. Notice the emphasis is on the second syllable for contactable. That describes someone who you're able to contact. Okay? And then you have your participle forms, contacted and contacting. Okay? We have synonyms and antonyms both for your noun, intercourse, touch, and connection. And antonym also for your first definition, the noun, avoidance and separation. Okay. So that is your academic word of the day. Be sure to use contact as a noun or a verb. Or maybe you should use it as both. That'd be a greater challenge. And include an illustration in the bottom right corner. Be sure your illustration has to do with contact and should be about yourself, an original sentence and an illustration about yourself. All right. Happy studying.